The mind is half the battle, but if you are really determined, there's nothing and there's no limit to what you can do. You just have to want it. I was having pain in my leg to the point where sometimes I'd stand up and I couldn't feel my leg and I would just go down on my knees. And I started losing it in my hands, and I didn't want to lose it in my hands because I was sewing.
We saw some medical professionals locally, and when they saw that she had a helical spine, they really said that this is out of our depth.
So it was like, you need to go to Mayo Clinic.
Well, we were planning to do a scoliosis operation, but then as we were laying the groundwork for that, she started to acutely lose function in her arms, and she had a spinal cord compression in her neck that we had to treat on an urgent basis.
She was going to be paralyzed in a few months, they thought, if we didn't do that. And to me, that's just the attention to detail that you don't get anywhere else.
I got the feelings back in my limbs. I was able to sew again.
And then we were able to redirect our efforts toward treating the scoliosis, and did a very lengthy fusion on her back from her middle back area down to her pelvis. And by doing that, we were able to correct the scoliosis completely.
The most thing I appreciated, I think, up there was the caring environment.
There's always constant bridge of communication among the doctors and the nurses and the techs. And if you need something, they're going to tend to your needs.
Before the surgery with Mayo Clinic, my wife was looking at a future that very much involved probably a wheelchair. Now, the sky's the limit, and Mayo Clinic gave us that.
I got my life back. I hope to go into it with the bridal. Kimberly Couture is what we're going to call it. She wants a wedding gown that's very royal, as she says, but just really pretty. So I told her we'll start doing that when the time comes.